Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Omega COQ10 filtered and mercury-free 2,000 milligrams per serving, and it is made by Athelas Neutraceuticals. A little bit about the product. Omega-3 is good for the heart health and brain function. 300 milligrams total omega-3 fatty acid, 360 milligrams, I don't know how to say this word, Eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, 240 milligrams Docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. COQ10 for better heart health. Decreased levels of COQ10 have shown to contribute to negative effects. Boost your heart health with this daily omega-3 COQ10 combo supplement. It's filtered, it's mercury-free. Athelas Neutraceuticals filters its fish oils to ensure impurities and contaminants, including mercury, and they are removed. They're easy to swallow soft gels, easy to swallow pills that are much easier than to take. It's much easier to take CoQ10 soft gels each day. You want to take them with food, preferably in the middle of a meal, for the easiest digestion. And if you aren't happy with the results, let them know within 90 days and they will refund your money, which is a great thing too. So a little bit about this. I bought this for myself because my family has heart disease and I wanted something to boost heart health, and this is a really good product, especially because it takes out the mercury. The company is based in Las Vegas. So the calories are 20. The fat is 2 milligrams, and tells you all the other things on there. Nothing too exciting or earth-shattering, but you take 2 soft gels, so this would be a month's supply. Taking omega-3 fatty acids, mainly EPA and DHA, is one of the most important things that you can do for your health. Your body is the powerful antioxidant CoQ10 for cell regrowth and maintenance. The depletion of CoQ10 has been shown to contribute. The depletion of CoQ10 is shown to contribute to a healthy body. Get the most out of your omega-3 and CoQ10 supplement. Take 2 soft gels, 1 to 3 times daily. So this would be probably a couple week supplement if you're following that. And like I said, be sure to take it during a meal so it's quickly absorbed and digested. And you can see results in little as 2 to 3 weeks. So yeah, it's just a health booster, a heart booster to add to your vitamin regimen. Like I always say, it's best to take your vitamins separately. I don't really believe in a multivitamin. I think that they don't really work. I think it's better to take supplements and vitamins separately outside of that, outside of taking a multivitamin, and this is something that is good for you and will help with your heart, your health, and what's better than that? It's really not a super expensive product. I take it, my husband takes it, and these are what the pills look like. They're big yellow soft gels, and so yeah, it promotes the brain function and cardiovascular health, which everyone needs. Yeah, I would give this a 5 out of 5 stars. I'm very happy with it. Don't take my word for it, try it yourself, and thanks so much for watching.